Welcome to Tutorials Hub Tally. Today we will learn about edit log for ledgers. You may be making changes in the ledgers as per your requirement. For instance, you may update GSTIN or UIN or the mailing details based on the information you receive from your customer or vendor. Edit log tracks all such changes made by you. Open the group. Press Alt plus G, select Chart of Accounts and press Enter. Select Group and press Enter. Select Name of the group and press Enter. The group alteration screen will appear. If you drill down on a deleted group from Chart of Accounts, then Edit Log Report opens. The Edit Log Report displays version, activity, username and date and time. Select the version and press Enter. The differences between Edit Log versions screen appears. You can view the details of changes made in the selected version of the ledger as compared to its previous version. Tally Prime highlights the changes made in the ledger as compared to its previous version in red text. Similarly, you can drill down to any version and view the comparison between the version and its previous one. Please note, you will not be able to drill down on the resaved version as there are no data of changes between the versions. Press F12 and set configuration. Show altered values only, set to yes. Subsequently, only the values that you have changed in the ledger will be highlighted in red text. For instance, if you have changed the address of a party or its GSTIN, then you will be able to view that. Show it as no if you do not want to view those values. Show configuration based value set to yes. Subsequently, you will be able to view the difference in the configurations of both the versions. For instance, if you have set maintain balances bill by bill to no in the newer version, then the report will display the same. Set it as no if you do not want to view the difference in the configurations of both the versions. Show internal fields updated by the application set to no. As a result of alteration, Tally Prime updates a few internal fields in the application. Set is as yes if you want to view such fields in the report. After configuring as shown, a sample report appears in the screen. From the Ledger Vouchers Report, it is possible to view the contact details of the ledger for reference. This is useful for bank ledgers. When more than one account number exists in the same bank, quick reference of the account details is possible. Go to the gateway of Tally. Select Display More Reports. Select Accounts Books. Select Ledger and press Enter. Select the ledger for which you want to see the contact details. Select the required ledger from Select Item screen appears. Press Alt plus S. The ledger contact details screen appears. Mailing details and the account details are displayed in the screen. You can record address details against ledger accounts in Tally Prime. Go to the gateway of Tally. Select Create. Select Ledger and press Enter. Enter the name of the ledger in the name field. Select a group category from the list of groups. Enter required details in mailing details. In case you are unable to find mailing details in ledger creation screen, press F12 and set provide mailing details to yes. Accept the screen as always You can press Ctrl+A to save. Now you can enter the mailing details during ledger creation or alteration. Ledger Vouchers Report. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Display More Reports, select Accounts Books, select Ledger and press Enter. Press F2 to change the period as required. The Ledger Vouchers Report appears as shown. Press F8 to view details of vouchers in separate columns. For purchase, payments, journals, debit notes and credit notes, you can view the voucher reference number and date. The Ledger Vouchers Columnar Report appears as shown. Cumulative balances or running balance for Ledger Voucher Reports. In the Ledger Voucher screen, press F12. Set the option Show Running Balance to Yes to see the running balances for Ledger Voucher Report. Press Enter to save the changes. The Ledger Vouchers Report with running balance column appears as shown. You can also access Ledger Vouchers by drilling down from different statements such as Group Summary and Monthly Summary. Thanks for watching. Please do comment what you want to see in my next topic. Please share my videos with your nearest one and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.